once again, we want to welcome you to our MMC platform. Thank you for following, subscribing, turning on the bell. Please, today a continuation of yesterday, matrices. So, part B of that scenario says, in the football tournament, the teams Arsenal, Chelsea, and Liverpool had the following results. Team wins, draws, loss. Arsenal had 2 wins, 1 draw, and 1 loss. Chelsea, 2 wins, 0 draws, 2 losses. Liverpool, 1 win, 2 draws, 1 loss. The teams are awarded 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, no point for a loss. The tournament winner will be confirmed only if the leading team gets at least 7 points. Task: as a mathematics student, use mathematical justification to help the school games committee decide whether B, the football tournament winner should be confirmed by using matrix multiplication to calculate the points for each team, and checking whether the leading team's points are at least 7. Our dear viewers, the first step here is to formulate the matrices. So according to this, we shall have the matrices, the matrix for performance. So we have, under that, we can summarize this table. This is 2, 2, 1. Then 1, 0, 2. Then 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is for win. This is for draw, this is for loss. Whereas this is for Arsenal, this is for Chelsea, this is for Liverpool. So basically, in summary, that's the matrix for performance. Then you shall also have the matrix for the points. Matrix for the points. Now, for the win, we have 3 points. Whereas for draw, we have 1 point. Whereas for loss, we have 0 point. So, having formulated these matrices, we can now look at the second step of multiplication. Ladies and gentlemen, before multiplication, we first set the order of these matrices. What's the order of this? Remember, we write row by column. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. This is row, this is column. This is the order. Then for this one, the order is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 1 column. Now, according to the knowledge of matrices, for multiplication to be possible, the matrices must be compatible. What is compatibility? Compatibility means the number of columns of the first matrix must equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. And for here, can see that it matches. So that our final answer will be a 3 by 1 matrix. So let us look at multiplication of those matrices. So we have 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1. By, this is 3, 1, 0. So when you multiply row by column. So 2 times 3, 6, plus 1 times 1, 1, plus 1 times 0, 0. Then 2 times 3, 6, plus 0 times 1, 0, plus 2 times 0, 0. Then 1 times 3, 3, plus 2 times 1, 2, plus 1 times 0, 0. So from here, we shall get 6 plus 1 plus 0, that is 7. 6 plus 0, 0, that is 6. 3 plus 2 plus 0, that is 5. So, according to this outcome, our first team is Arsenal. And Arsenal is getting the highest points, followed by Chelsea. Chelsea is getting 6 points. Liverpool, finally. Okay. So from there, we can conclude and respond to our scenario. Remember, our task said the football, okay, as mathematics students use mathematics expression to help the school games committee decide whether the football tournament winner should be confirmed by using multiplication to calculate the points for each team and checking whether the leading team's points are 7. So according to this, we see the leader, or the one with the highest points, is Arsenal. Therefore, Arsenal has the highest points. The highest points, okay, which is 7, and therefore the leading team points, which is 7, and therefore is confirmed as the leading team. Okay? So, our dear viewers, thank you so much for following us. Please subscribe, turn on the bell, and send in any scenarios disturbing. We shall. Part C. Okay. Part C. So, according to our scenario, Part C says, for the decoration stand, the simplified factor for one of the measurement is 6 root 10 plus 2 root 40 all over root 2 times root 20. are saying the measurements will be accepted only if the resulting simplified value is not greater than 5. So in this case, we are required to simplify this expression for sides. So what shall we do? We shall say this is equal to 6 root 10 plus 2 4 times 10. So 40 means 4 times 10. We want it to match with this root 10 this side. Equal to root 2 times 20 can also be 2 times 10 under root, giving us 6 root 10 plus 2. What's the root of 4? It's 2. Then root 10 all over root 2 times root 2 times root 10. So in this case, we shall have 6 root 10 plus 4 root 10 all over root 2 times root 2, that is 4, get 2 root 10. So this gives us 6 plus 4 root 10. These are like terms since they are under same root. So 6 plus 4, that is 10 root 10 all over 2 root 10. So mathematically, this cancels that by 2, once by 2, 5. This gives us 5. So according to our task, they are saying, as a mathematics student, use mathematical just question to help the school games committee decide whether the decoration measurements should be used by simplifying the third expression exactly and checking whether its value is not greater than 5. So, therefore, since we have got 5, we can conclude and say, therefore, the decoration stand will be accepted. Therefore, the measurements will be accepted since the simplified value of the expression is not greater than 5. Is not greater than 5. Okay? Our dear viewers, thank you so much for following. God bless you. Continue subscribing, turning on the bell, and WhatsApp us on our number down there on the screen. Thank you. God bless you. Shalom.